Very good question asked to me. How was your experience in Birmingham Therapy Expo? I loved every single minute of being in that expo. I went with my colleague Isha and I met thousands of people out there and tens of entrepreneurs out there. Oh my God, the conversations were beautiful. And it was like heart-to-heart conversation with the entrepreneurs. And being a business owner and employing 40 plus people, I understand the pain every employer goes through. Again, we are in a very tough background of economic situation. The country is going through recession, and we are getting less trained clinicians right from the university, and also people are struggling to keep up their employees regularly with them. I met amazing people out there and we had a very good conversations. I felt so good that as a business we are doing the right thing with a very strong management team behind us and very good onboarding process in place. And I felt really, really good that we are running a team or a business which really look after our staff, and we make sure people grow with us rather than just you join us as a clinician or an employee and stay where you are even after 2 years. No, you will have an amazing journey with us. And I felt really motivated after seeing so many entrepreneurs in Birmingham. I felt, you know what, we are doing the right job. All we need to do, keep the momentum going, get more people, train them better, and help everybody to grow better in their life. And you know what, March 2023, we are going to London for the Best Practice Show. And I'm coming with my whole team out there. We are going to blast it.